Hello everyone, it's me Lisa, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can avoid the problem of your payment method declining, and you can try again in iOS 15 or above. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing what you want to do is you can go to your settings, and here you want to go to your Apple ID, and what you want to do is sign out. So it'll ask for your Apple ID password, and just sign off of your Apple ID and log back in, since this may be causing the problem in your payment method. So if that also doesn't work, then what I want you to do is go back, go to general, and here down, transfer, reset iPhone, reset, and reset all your settings. This may also be causing some errors in your payment method in your Apple ID. So reset all your settings, and if the second method also doesn't work, then what I want you to do is go back, go to your Apple ID again, and here you can see your personal information. It loads for a while, but it will load in a while. So here is your name and birthday. We don't need this, so go to payment and shipping, and here I'll ask for your Face ID. And once you open it, then you can see your different payment methods. So just delete every payment method and just keep new ones, so that your payment method is also updated. So this is the 3 ways which you can ensure that your payment method decline doesn't come often and your problem is fixed. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And it's me, Elise, signing out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.